Hi guys, another episode of No Fear Kitchen. Looking forward to it. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite recipes, which is buffalo chicken mac and cheese by Drizzle Me Skinny. So here we go. So we are going to start with frozen chicken again because I forgot to take it out of the oven. So we're starting with frozen chicken because I forgot to take it out of the refrigerator or freezer. And then to the Instapot, we're also gonna add a cup of chicken broth and then a cup of Frank's buffalo hot sauce, which is the best for this recipe. So we're gonna add that into the Instapot. And if you like it a little spicier, add a little more spice. If you like it, less spicy, obviously add less hot sauce. I'm actually going to add the rest of this bottle because why not spice it up? There we go. And that's legitimately it for the first part of this recipe. Frozen chicken breast, buffalo sauce, and chicken broth. We're going to put the lid on, close her up. We are going to move it from venting to sealing, and I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken in here that's frozen. So I'm gonna do this for 16 minutes and then let it natural release for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. So here we go. We are going to start with pressure cook. You can see it's on high pressure, and I'm gonna go up to 16 minutes, and you wait for the 3 beeps, and bada bing, bada boom, we're gonna have some shredded chicken in about 20 minutes. All right, guys, so I had ants in my pants, and I left while the Instapot was on pressure, so it's been sitting here for about an hour and 9 minutes. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's look at the chicken inside. So it completely released on its own. I didn't have to do the venting situation. Ugh. And whoa, our chicken is cooked. So next steps, I'm gonna take the chicken out of the Instapot, and then I'm gonna add 4 cups of milk, a cup and a half of uncooked pasta, a full thing of just plain Greek yogurt, and then 4 ounces of cottage cheese. Okay, so the chicken is cooked. I'm gonna take this out of the Instapot and put it on a cutting board to shred. I'm gonna add 4 cups of milk, a cup and a half of macaroni, whole wheat macaroni, a 5-ounce plain Greek yogurt, and then 4 ounces of cream cheese. All right, everyone, so I have all the dairy ingredients minus the cheese that's gonna go in this dish and the pasta. We are going to add the lid. I'm gonna put the lid back on. Today I'm on the struggle bus with words. We are going to press cancel, and then we are going to do pressure cook again, but only for a minute. That's essentially just gonna cook the pasta. So let's go down to a minute. It's on high pressure. Again, make sure it's from venting to sealing. And we're gonna let this thing rock and roll. And then we're gonna let it natural release for probably about 5 minutes before we let the vent go off. And I am going to shred up all this chicken to go back into the dish with the cheese. And before you know it, bing, bang, boom, you got some buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Okay, guys, in true, No Fear Kitchen, the Instapot didn't start. Now I just burned myself. It says burn, or the message burn came up on here. What happens once in a while is if I probably had a little bit of chicken left, I'm gonna let it vent, and then I am going to go in there with a wooden spoon and see if there's something on the bottom so that essentially I can put it back up to pressure and cook the pasta. Although the pasta actually might be cooked because it's been in there for about a minute. So we'll see when we open it up, and then we'll see how this whole dish is gonna turn out. So here's the shredded chicken. I just use 2 forks and you just pull it apart. And then it's gonna go into there with the cheese. And we're gonna put it on probably low for like 45 minutes. So this is a multi-step process for this buffalo chicken mac and cheese when you use the Instapot. You can also do it via slow cooker, but then that actually takes like 8 hours. So it's up to you guys. Okay, great news, everyone. I looked at the pasta and it is fully cooked. So we are just gonna continue on, keep it on. So I'm gonna add the full bag of shredded cheese, the shredded chicken, and then we'll reconvene. All right, chicken, pasta, literally every ingredient that's in this dish is in here in the Instapot. Putting the lid back on, and we are going to do slow cooker, and I'm going to put it on for an hour, and this is on low. So here we go. We're gonna let it rock and roll for the next hour. All right, guys, it's been 40 minutes. Tony's impatient and hungry, so we are going to serve it up. It's a little more liquidy than I usually have it. So let's see how it tastes. Finished product. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it's a little more watery than usual, but you know, not a complete fail. Real test. We'll see if Tony likes it. Tony approved.